Hi, today I will explain the trigonometric problem 11.2 exercise question number 7. Is it right to say that sine of a plus b equal to sine a plus sine b? Justify your answer. మనకు sin of a plus b value is equal to sin a plus sin b. These both are equal, then this is true. These both are not equal, this is not true. Okay. First, I will take the values. I will take the values a is equal to 30 degrees and b is equal to 60 degrees. Then the problem is sine of a means 30 degrees plus 60 degrees. Okay, is equal to sine 30 degrees plus sine 60 degrees. Okay. Sine. Next, on this place, LHS is equal to sine 30 degrees plus 60 degrees. Then this implies sine 30 degrees plus sine 90 degrees. Sine 90 degree value. 0 degree, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. ఎప్పటికైనా సైన్ యొక్క ఫార్ములా రూట్ ఆఫ్ బిలో ఫింగర్స్ by 2. Then sin 90 degrees is equal to root mean root below fingers 1 2 3 4 by 2. Then root 4 is equal to root 2 square by 2. Square root cancel. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Okay. Next sin 30 degree value. Sin 30 degrees is equal to root of below finger 30 degrees is there in this place. 30 degree below finger is only one finger 1 by 2. Then root 1 is equal to root 1 square by 2 square root cancel 1 by 2. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. And next sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees is equal root mean root 60 degree below fingers 1 2 3. 3 mean 3 by 2. Then root 3 by 2 is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay. Sin 90 is equal to 1. Then next I will take the RHS. RHS is equal to sin 30 degrees plus RHS is equal to sin 30 degrees plus sin 60 degrees. Sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 plus sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. Then this implies 2 LCM is 2, 1 plus root 3. RHS is equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. LHS is equal to 1. LHS is not equal to RHS. That means sin 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is not equal to sin 30 degree plus sin 60 degrees. These both are not equal to. Why? Sin 30 degrees plus 60 degrees value is equal to 1 and this value is 1 plus root 3 by 2. These both are not equal. Then sin of a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b is the wrong statement. Wrong statement. Okay, is it clear? Once again I will explain. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇచ్చినటువంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్ sin a plus b ఈక్వల్ sin a plus sin b అనేది ఇచ్చేసాడు. దానిలో a is equal 30 degrees, b is equal 60 degrees తీసుకోండి. అప్పుడు sin of 60 plus 30 is equal sin 30 degrees plus sin 60 degrees. ఇక్కడ వాల్యూస్ అనేవి ఖచ్చితంగా మనకు తెలిసి ఉండాలి. వాల్యూస్ అనేవి తెలియకుండా ఉంటే మాత్రం మనము ఏమీ చేయలేము. వాల్యూస్ అనేవి తెలిస్తే ఈ విధంగా మనం చేయని అవసరం లేకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా వాల్యూస్ను సబ్మిట్ చేసేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. ఇది రఫ్ వర్క్ మాత్రమే, ఇది బాగా గుర్తుంచుకోండి. పేర్ వర్క్ ఇది మాత్రమే. అయితే ఇక్కడ sin 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal sin 30 plus sin 60 degrees. These both are equal. This statement is right, and these both are not equal. This statement is wrong. On this place, I will take LHS. Sin 30 plus 60 is equal to sin 90. Sin 90 value is 1. And I will take RHS. Sin 30 degrees plus sin 60 degrees. Sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 plus sin 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2. LCM is 2. 1 plus root 3 by 2. These both are not, LHS is not equal to RHS. Then sin 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is not equal to sin 30 plus sin 60. 1 is not equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2. Therefore, the problem is sin of a plus b is equal to sin a plus sin b anadam anedi. This problem is the wrong statement. Is this wrong statement? Is the wrong statement. Okay, is it clear? I will go to the next problem.